What's up, everybody? It's Stefan here from Mod2Fame, and I am here with John in a very, very special vehicle. We about to get into something really interesting. Take this thing out for a ride. Get ready. Let's go. You see the aesthetic right now? I'm standing in the middle of the street of a mall, and the street is closed. That's because we had it closed. And now we got mad Mopars, including a Corvette Z06. And he's like, I'm ready to race Cheapokitty. I'm like, word, what you got? He's like, I got a ZR1. I said, okay, which one? He said, C6. I said, okay, let's do it. He said, nah, you don't want it. So like I said, man, I'm here with John. John, what are we in right now, brother?
A 1968 Buick Riviera, or what's left of one.
I like the way you said that because as you guys probably seen by now, by looking at that beauty montage, this thing is fully modified. It's actually called Retro Mod, right?
Yeah, or Pro Touring, I guess.
Pro Touring. Yes, this is Pro Touring. You're absolutely right. Now, I don't know much about my classic cars and stuff like that. I just know that they're beautiful. I know tons about modern cars. So this right here is a learning experience for me. Now, I noticed that it's full wide body.
It's, yeah, it's each side is 2 1/4 inches wider than stock to fit 3 55 30 19 tires all the way around.
Say that again, please. Please say that again.
3 55 30 19 Kumo ACR tires.
If I'm not mistaken, that's what's used on the Vipers.
Yes, the rear tires on the Viper.
Is what you have all the way around.
All the way around.
Holy, these tires are super duper expensive. What size wheel did you have to do to fit a 355?
They're a 19 by 13 and a half.
19 by 13 and a half all the way around. Did you guys see those big deep dishes on this thing? What is the suspension setup on this thing?
I built everything. All the control arms, spindles, rack and pinion.
You spec'd out the spring rates, the dampening,
I
the
did
rebound, everything.
Yep.
As far as power, what does this thing got up under the hood?
It is a 38,000 board 455, making 788 horse.
What? What? Wait, is that the engine dyno?
It runs on pump gas, not on pump gas. It runs on race gas 110.
Oh my gosh! So this car is very expensive to run.
Yeah, that's why. Thus I trailered it here.
That's a beautiful trailer you got, by the way. Check out this trailer. That's really nice, right? Enough talking. I know y'all want to go out in this thing, so that's what we're gonna do now. So I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to hear us very well, but we got it mic'd up pretty good, so you should be able to hear us a little bit. But this thing is flipping loud. So I know you have a side exit option. Can we use the rear exhaust right now?
We can, because it'd be a lot quieter.
That's changing the exhaust right now. Wow, that's a big difference.
Well, it's not right on right now.
That is a huge difference right there. But it's still loud as hell.
It goes from loud to really loud.
So what gears do you have in here? It sounds like you have straight cut gears.
Yeah, it's a Winter's quick change rear end.
Okay.
So you can change the gear ratio in like 5 minutes.
Okay, good. depending on the autocross that you're on.
Yeah, and it makes it nice so you can fine tune the gearing.
Well, I mean, we're on some beautiful roads right now, but I could tell that it actually doesn't ride too bad.
Not too bad.
It's just stiff.
It's stiff, yeah.
Right.
On a relatively smooth road like this, it rides pretty nice.
Seems like it has decent drivability too.
Yeah, it runs pretty good. It's just the race gas that's really good.
Okay. Oh my God, the G-force. Yo. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God, the G-force. Yo. Oh my God. Okay. All right. The G-forces. And that was nothing, right? I know that was probably nothing.
Well, that's cold tires, too.
And that's cold tires. Wow, I am so afraid. We're gonna take this thing to the twisties because that's what it's made for. But I am so afraid right now because I can tell just from that little circle, I can tell what trouble we're about to get into. Now the question is, how do you keep on an autocross? It's a really tight track. Why do you need so much horsepower? 780. And I know you guys are gonna kill me in the comments. Yes, I just asked him why does he need that much horsepower. But seriously, why so much power on an autocross?
You don't need it for an autocross now.
So what do you use it for? Just like
When I'm just driving around, I like to
lay into it?
lay into it.
Now I know it probably lights the tires up with so much. Well, you said horsepower. How much torque? Because it's all NA.
It was still 718.
718 torque, and that's NA, man. That's NA, right?
Yeah, that's NA.
Oh my gosh, this car is not boosted at all. You guys saw the engine, but talk to me about some of the supporting mods that you had to do. Let's talk about cooling. What do you have to do cooling wise?
It's just a big 2-core aluminum radiator.
Yep.
With I can't remember the brand of the fans, but they're
Yep.
really high output electric fans.
Yep. All right, man. Well, I mean, I can tell it's a very well put together car. I mean, we got engine, everything is
And
done.
actually, the drivetrain too, the engine and transmission set back 11 inches from stock.
Why? For balance?
For balance, so that it, you move the weight to the back.
So I'm pretty sure you weighed this car many times.
Yeah, I think it's around 51% front, 49 rear.
And what is the overall weight?
It's hovering right around 3,400 without me in it.
Damn, that's really good
I took
for
a lot
such a
of weight out,
big
yeah.
car.
Yeah.
I mean, but you still got leather seats. I mean, that's about it though.
Yeah, I mean, there's no radio, there's no AC, there's no anything like that. But I tried to keep the stock panels on just so it looks like a street car.
Right. No, it does. It does. I mean, you can go to a car show tomorrow. This thing is ready to go. It is ready to rock for sure. We're heading to the area where he's probably gonna shake my insides up. I like this sticker
No, it
there.
doesn't work right now. I had to disconnect it though. It kept beeping by itself. So I gotta figure out what was going on.
Okay, but that looks pretty cool. I mean, look at the pedals, y'all. The pedals are dope
Yeah, I
too.
made those.
Dude, you like built this whole car for real.
For real.
Like you're not joking when you say you made it. I mean,
No,
let's
I
talk
made
about the
everything.
fact that the whole car is carbon fiber, bro. Like, what's left that's not carbon fiber?
I mean, the top of the fenders, the roof, the doors. The doors, I'm probably gonna make carbon fiber doors this winter.
So I told him we're gonna take it really easy going up this course, and then as we come back down, we'll know it a little bit more. But talk to me about brakes, man. What do you got done in the way of brakes?
Booster is a hydro boost, which runs off your power steering pump.
Okay.
Used on a lot of like newer diesel trucks. You're not relying on engine braking or engine vacuum to power your boost.
Nice. So as you guys can see, like, this is a really nice road, but it's still like a little wet and stuff, and we don't know the road. Plus we're on cold tires. And there's no like mistake area. There's no runoff. There's like absolutely nothing. But I can't get over like how nice this car rides and how modern it kind of feels. It feels like a modern car, to be honest.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's just a loud modern car. That's about it. But I guess a car is a car, right? At the end of the day, no matter when it was made. I mean, granted, this car is older than me, at it. We're gonna go back down the same road that we just came. I needed a minute though. I got a little disoriented, but I'm back now. So I'm pretty sure, man, that was probably nothing much, was it, for this car?
Well, it's wet roads too. I don't want to crash.
No, of course, but I don't want to go anymore. Like, if we could tone it down a little bit, I'm okay with that too. Like, if we could tone it down a little bit, I'm okay with that too. We will not be toning it down. Wow. Your car control is amazing, man. I guess you've been with this car for a little while, huh?
Yeah.
How many years you been with this car?
Since like '93, I think.
What made you want to build this type of car for autocross and for track?
It's really not a very good decision, but
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, why
well,
this?
because that's the car I had.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
I was
There goes your
going to
answer.
make this car go fast. So I put all my effort into this car, and I think I'm successful.
When did you start actually building it?
I'd say like I kept it stock for a while, or just slightly modified.
Yeah.
But to make it like probably like 5 years ago, I did a Good Guys Autocross,
Yep.
and I loved it. So that's when I started to build it up more to be competitive.
Okay. So, out of the competitions you've done, have you won?
I got a second last time.
And what was that? What
That
event
was at a big suspension company called UMI.
Okay.
They had a big autocross event, and I got a second place in my class, so I was really happy with that.
Nice.
The car really performed well.
And what kind of cars were you up against?
It was mostly American muscle cars.
Got it. All pro touring or?
I mean, yeah, I mean,
cars?
some new, some old, old. It was a variety, but I think it was pretty much all American cars.
Got it. It's a solid car. I can't wait to get out of it though. Yeah, it's amazing.
I like straight line speed, but I think the curves scare you more.
They do. They're very scary.
I'm not gonna make it.
I would have to admit, it definitely scared me. I'll be honest, guys. John is taking it easy on me. He's like, all right, he can't take it. I appreciate that, man. Call me Mr. Softy if you want. I don't care, but man, this thing is pretty brutal. I would have to say, I think this is like the strongest I've ever felt a car corner, and the ground is wet, so that's not saying very much. I mean, as you guys know, I have a couple cars myself. I want to get into tracking more. The difference is, as the driver, it's very different.
Yeah. As a passenger, I'm not a good passenger.
Yeah. I would have to say I'm not a good passenger either. Talk to me about lighting, man. What do you do there?
Off-road LEDs.
Okay.
I got tired of the stock lights suck. I mean, the new cars, the headlights have gotten so good, they're getting so much brighter that you have stock 68 headlights. You can't see very well up against them. So I got tired of that, so I went to the extreme and went full off-road LED lights with a truck light bar.
Yeah, I saw the one in the middle.
That lights up.
Oh my gosh.
That's my high beams.
Okay. So someone is in your way. Quick little flash.
Yeah.
Nice. I mean, I can't say it enough, man. This car is very impressive. From the way the seats hold you, to the way it rides, the way it handles, the sound. I'm pretty sure a lot of you are asking, Steph, why didn't you drive the car? But I can tell you guys right now, I told John, I was like, this is a one of one, and I'm just afraid. There would be no way that I would be able to drive this car to do it any justice, because it would just be, I wouldn't be able to go anywhere near what it can do, and I just wouldn't be comfortable. So it didn't make sense unless we were like on a closed course track with a lot of runoffs.
Yeah, it needs to be on a track now.
Yeah, it has to be on a track.
Because by the time you hit your limit, you're going really fast or pushing it really hard, and
truck, so that doesn't count. But I can tell you guys, I wasn't going nowhere near this fast, and he's just chilling. It's not even breaking a sweat. Oh man, John, man, we really appreciate it. You taking a ride, taking us out. Awesome car you built, man.
Thank you.
Thanks again for being on the channel, bringing the car out on this lovely Saturday morning. Again, an awesome time. Thanks for the drive. Head to the outro. Stepping in from Mod2Fame. If you guys can't tell, I'm a little on the edge of being sick, so we're out. We're out. What's up, everybody? It's Stefan here from Mod2Fame, and you just watched a video from our latest series called Modified Car Reviews. Well, what is Modified Car Reviews? Well, it's actually when we feature cars that have actually been built performance-wise, aesthetics, I mean, you name it, that's been done to the car. We actually consider that a modified car or a car built. If you're interested in having your car be featured on Mod2Fame, it's pretty simple. You just hit the email support@mod2fame.com. That's showing up right now. Send us a couple images of your car and a little bit of information on your build. And if you're selected, we'll reach out to you. Keep in mind, we are in the Northeast, so we're keeping it right now in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut. But anyway, also while you're on the website, you might as well grab some of this merch, like what I'm wearing right now. This is the Black Edition t-shirt. Whatever I was wearing in the video, I'm not sure which one it is. It could have been one of the hats. It could have been a different shirt. All of it is available right now at mod2fame.com. So go ahead and grab that for yourself. Anyway, it's your boy Stefan here from Mod2Fame. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. But until the next one, we about to jump in this modified Durango, and we out.